Hey guys, in this video I am going to share an easy and effective method to control pests in plants. There are several ways you can prepare pesticide at home, but this is tried and tested. This summer I have tried to grow beans, but it was badly attacked by some sucking pest. The plant was so damaged that it was even not able to flower. Later, I used this solution in it, and you can see that the number of pests is really reduced. But some pests are still left, so I am using this solution once again. And yes, I am also going to tell you how to prepare this solution in your home. You just need 7 ingredients to prepare this. And the name of these ingredients are neem leaves, calotropis leaves, garlic, chilies, periwinkle leaf, shampoo and oil. All the ingredients which are used in this process are all pest repeller and very easily available at home. You just need to collect all these ingredients and put in a grinder. I will suggest you to use chilies in a less amount because it can also harm your plants. Make a fine paste of all the ingredients. Before you spray this solution in your plant, make sure to dilute the solution because it can also harm your plant. When the solution is ready, add some oil. After that, some soap solution or shampoo. Oil will help the solution to stay in contact with the plant for a long time, and shampoo will help the oil to dissolve in solution. This solution works almost in every pest. This pesticide is affordable, easy to prepare and ensures bountiful harvest. I always try to use less and less chemicals as a gardener because if I will use chemicals then growing food by my own would have no meaning. Using organic pesticides will reduce the chance of soil and water pollution. When you will apply it correctly, it can be very effective to pest control. One suggestion is that whenever you spray pesticides and insecticides in your plants, make sure to spray them in evening or in the night, because if you spray them at afternoon, then the solution will vaporize very fast and the pesticide will not work efficiently. Please tell me in the comment section if this method worked for your plant or not. Thank you.